Why do you need to install Tesla Model Y wheel spacers with Hub-Centric? Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are a common modification for car lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. We recommend installing the wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Tesla Model Y wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger component or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric Tesla Model Y wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Tesla Model Y wheel spacer have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Tesla Model Y wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and stress than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this kind of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than the lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, the bloxsport active cooling Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improves safety. So, if you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your Tesla Model Y, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.